So in triorigin model, we have 4 forces. We have how many forces? We have 4 forces. And the name of these 4 forces are hetero, homo, neutro, and neutro. How many forces? We have 4 fundamental forces: hetero, homo, neutro, and neutro. I'll share my camera. Please wait. 4 fundamental forces. We have 4 fundamental forces. So, whatever we are referring in when we are drawing about triorigin concept, we should draw a pyramid like this, a triangle, and we are labeling in this triangle always. So in triorigin, we have 4 fundamental forces. In that 4 fundamental forces, we have hetero, homo, neutro, and neutro. So we are labeling this energy only in this way, and Professor Park Jae-woo had teach to label, and he had done many research. After that, he found this method to realize and to convey the message how these energies are working. So in case of hetero, we have red color. Which color? This color has no change in triorigin. Never it will change. So hetero has red color. Everyone should be very concentrate. In our whole class, we will use this name and energy also. And also it will help you to understand in next level and all coming levels also. So homo. For homo, which color? Blue color. Dark blue. Homo. And we have neutro. Neutro is of green color. And in center, we have neutro. Clear? And the symbol of this, we have for these fundamental forces, we have symbols also. For hetero, we are writing as HE. It represents HE. And homo as HO. Neutro as NE. And neutro as NO. In short, we are calling hetero HE, homo HO, neutro NE, neutro NO. What? Hetero HE, homo HO, neutro as NE, and neutro as NO. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Then, what is the power of hetero? So, in very short, we can see for knowing what is the power or what is the force behind that. Hetero means expansion. Hetero means expansion. Homo means contraction. Neutral means perfection. Perfection. Neuter is origin. Or else we can also represent as emptiness. In some condition, it leads to emptiness also, or origin. And these four fundamental forces, working and united to form one. And we can see these four forces in all creations. And so we can see these four forces in all creation by the creator. And the physical world has come from this metaphysical world also. Metaphysical world means from neuter condition, from the origin. It is coming from the origin. We can see the metaphysical world. And the creator used his power or the force used for the creation. And that means he created everything in this world by his force. So the creator created everything, whatever we can see, the living organism or the living non-living beings, everything he had created from his power. And all these creations we can see this four forces also. And for that we can see one example. And one more thing, this in this all creation we can see a good order. Everything has its own order, and it is working as in a very very systematic manner. For example, one day, every day we used to see sun. No, it is a very good very big force which is created by him, the Almighty. And one day the sun saying that I will stop my duty for one day, because every day I rise and every day I shined very nicely and I will set. So I am tired of this, I can work. So if the sun took leave for one day, what will happen to this universe?
We won't get light and heat.
Yes, one thing. Then
the world will be dark.
Pardon?
Even plants will be affected.
Yes, plants will be affected. Mary ma'am, I didn't hear you. Can you spell once
The
more?
world will be dark and we will have no life, ma'am.
Okay. Everywhere we can see only darkness. And will it become frozen? In case of every species, will the flower will bloom? Will the plants get oxygen and carbon dioxide? Will human beings can breathe oxygen? If plant is not working, human being will not get, or living being will not get oxygen, because all trees and plants are giving out oxygen and taking in carbon dioxide, and that oxygen we are inhaling and giving out carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is taken by again plants. So this all process will be stuck if sun is not there. So if one thing is stuck, so the creator had been created everything, sun, moon, stars, everything, beings, plants, animal kingdom, or plant kingdom, everything in a systematic manner. So he had used this all his force, and we can only see a limited force, and we can only know the limited force from him, because as we are human being, we can only realize in a small quantity. From that, professor realized that there are 4 forces, because he is very brilliant and he had done found many logical things, and he had experienced and he had done many experiments by help of many doctors, and he had discovered and he had done many works to identify this for, and this is his hard work. He found out these 4 forces, and his final discovery was this